Hello, welcome to Yuri's Kitchen Part 2, where today we're gonna finish our fried milk mixture. To start, you're gonna need to go to your oven and preheat it to 350 degrees, and you wait for that to finish. But in the meantime, we're gonna pour this mixture into a pan that's 8 by 5 by 5. It's not chunky at all. Okay, now you wait to put it into the oven. Okay, when your oven is done heating up to your 350 degrees, you open it up, grab your fried milk mixture, and you put it into the oven for 2 hours. Okay, the dish has been frying for about 2 hours now, so we're gonna take it out with my bare hands, and apparently you get 2 pre-made frozen burritos. Okay, that's how you make that.